trying hard to, but can't even breathe. A little bit of oxygen is all we need. A little bit of mind control.
Step back, I don't like it like that. Step back, I don't like it like that. Wait, listen up, listen up. Say checkmate, we stay fab, we so fab. Caught ya, fooling around. Hate to break it to ya, I don't know ya. Shake it up, you make my head hurt. You want the keys all the time and the passwords. I need my space, take it backwards. Hold it back, run a lap, cause you light work. Real iffy, boy, you keep it real icky. Got the walk at the talk, I'm real picky. Queens with me, and we're giving no pity. I'm a highlight, get 'em out of my sight. Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar. I hope you ain't a player, wag mong paglaruan. Di basta ka gusto ay kaagad na dawan. Di papaikot.
Love o pag-ibig muna tayo. Narito ang isang nakakakilig na balita ngayong araw. Road to Forever na nga ang isang magkasintahan na matagal man naging single na patunayan nilang forever. My forever. Love go!
Habaan mo! Hindi lang yung word! Habaan mo!
Awe?
Oh,
Napatunayan nilang
tama! Yun mo yung gusto niya! Sige, go!
love goals and plans, mga bigay na pinapangarap lang nila, mga
Mix, pwede ka lumapit! Pwede mo siya lumapit sa prompter. Wala ko makasaman ako! Medyo bulag kasi niya.
love goals and plans, mga bagay na pinapangarap lang nila makamit noon. Unti-unti nang natutupad ngayon. Sana all! Kaya kung ramdam mong sawi ka sa pag-ibig, just call Joanna's number 0927.
Oh! Galing!
Nagpapaalala at nagbabalita, Mika...
Lim. Lim, ang surname.
Mika Lim.
Dapat tinuloy ko na lang ng Mika Lim eh.
Mika Lim.
Lim yung surname mo, Bet.
Bet, tanggalin mo na ako.
I'll be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older.
Si Micaela Jana Himenea Lim o mas kilala bilang si Mika ng Bini ay ipinanganak noong November 8, 2003. Siya ay 20 years old na ngayon. Siya ang pangatlo sa pinakabatang member ng Bini. Siya din ay isa sa mga main rapper at lead dancer. Si Mika ay pinanganak sa Cebu pero tumira sa Santa Rosa, Laguna for 2 years at kalaunan ay lumipat sa Silang Cavite ng 6 na taon. Ang kanyang pamilya ngayon ay nakatira sa San Juan City, Metro Manila. Ang kanyang paboritong kulay ay red, gold, black at white. Si Mika ay mahilig manood ng mga K-dramas. Ang kanyang special talent ay ang kanyang flexibility, lalo na ang pagtumbling. Ang favorite subject ni Mika sa Star Hunt Academy ay singing. Ang kanyang favorite motto ay, "Dreams will only stay dreams until you act upon it." Siyang nagpasikat sa popular line na,
But I can't do anything to Kuya. Tapos si Kuya nagpagas pa!
ang kanyang TikTok handle ay @Bini_Mika. Si Mika ay nagumpisang kumanta nung siya ay bata pa lamang dahil sa kanyang ama. Tuwing may karaoke ay lagi niya itong sinasamahan kumanta. Ang pagkanta ni Mika ay pampalipas oras lamang dahil siya ay hindi sumali sa mga singing competitions. Si Mika ay isang cheerleader noong high school kung saan siya ay member ng cheerleading squad ng kanilang school. Ang pag-cheerleading ni Mika ay nakatulong sa kanyang pagsayaw, pagtumbling at pagdevelop sa kanyang flexibility. Medyo mahabang kwento to, kaya i-follow nyo ako para sa part 2. I-comment nyo below kung sinong ikikwento natin sa susunod. Ako nga pala si Jeric Fulo, saying goodbye. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.
To raise a Philippine flag on the global stage. After their successful Coachella debut, Beanie showcased their other skills as they took over Apple Music Radio. MJ Felipe reports.
In between preparations and performances at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, Nation's girl group Beanie graced rounds of interviews with some of the biggest media outlets in Los Angeles, being the first Filipino group to perform in Coachella. ABS-CBN News caught up with the girls during the sit-downs with Los Angeles Times and Rolling Stone magazine.
Kaya naman namin, pero yung confidence kasi yun yung parang medyo umaano sa amin eh. Parang pinapangunahan kami ng kaba. But today, it's a good practice. It's a good start.
They're wonderful. They're so knowledgeable and they clearly put so much thought and really insight into the music and the visual presentation. And I love learning about the cultural context too, of learning where a lot of their references are coming from and their musical background.
Inside the festival grounds, they were invited by the YouTube team to do some content. Tuesday afternoon in LA, the girls were invited to take over Apple Music Radio. Acting as their own DJs, Beanie curated their favorite summer tracks and shared the creative process behind their latest EP, Signals.
Parang sobrang smooth lang ng flow kanina, sambutan, ganun. Ang saya lang, kasi wala ring host, so parang nasa amin talaga sa amin nakasalala yung show kanina.
Natural na talaga sa amin na mag-improvise ng topics, conversations. Kaya nagulat nga rin actually yung Apple Music team na, oh, you guys are actually so good at this.
Really enjoyed it. It's our first time na magkaroon ng ganung kind of setup.
In the midst of this busy schedule, their digital presence is gaining some momentum. The music video for their newest track, Blush, has officially crossed the 1 million view mark on YouTube, while their Spotify monthly listeners have surpassed 2 million. On the official Coachella Instagram account, Beanie is currently the second most watched act with 27 million real views, placing them directly behind megastar Justin Bieber with 141 million views.
Feeling ko malaking part talaga yung blooms namin na kapag meron sila nakikita na associated sa amin, parang talagang ino-up nila, ganon, and nagko-comment talaga sila, and talagang pinapakilala talaga kami sa ibang tao.
Coachella has released the schedule of performances for week 2, and Beanie stays at the 4:15 p.m. time slot on Friday, April 17 at the Mojave tent. Back home, ticket selling for their Signals June concert has officially opened to Weavers members today. General public sale will kick off tomorrow. MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News, Los Angeles.
Nobody does it like you, nah, nah, nah. You make me blush. You make me blush. You make me blush.
Oh, bakit ba lumapit na o wala ang angas ko? Bakit di ako makaamin kapag nandyan ka na? Palagi sumisilip ka to.
Ito ay para sa'kin, pati na rin sa gang. Pag ako lumapag, dama mo swag, di mo kayang sabayan, di mo kayang lamangan. Iba yung may dating sa nagmamadating. Ako tunay na di ikaw wannabe, ikaw wannabe. Ako tunay na
Makapag-perform sa international stage. Imagine with all the lights, the sound of the crowds cheering. And then, girls, tara, dali, look! Girls, I think this is the sign that no matter what, this will be a good summer.
is going to be a real good summer. So ano, ready na kayo for our next stop? Tara!
Sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa'kin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi. Panis. Kahit pa nakachiden.
Lilipat tayo sa kalawakan. Iiwanan natin ang mundo. Makikipagsayaw sa mga tala. Basta't may ikaw at ako'y sa'yo. Lilipat tayo.
Bumibilis tibok ng puso, Diyos ko. Eto nang